Hello everyone, this is Meng. And today's video I would like to show you how to remove the noise or to make your sound better in Camtasia. Okay, let me close this one and bring from the media and my video file right here. So first of all, we can separate video and audio, so we can test it. You can hear that. Yeah, you can hear the sound right now. So let me go to favorite and noise remove on. So I'm in 2021. So just drag right here. And if you want to bring to the right here to the favorite, that the one that you always use, just first go to audio effect, and for example this one, right click and add to, usually add to like this, add to favorite, and then it will come to your favorite one right here. So let's see. Okay, pretty good. And you can adjust the sensitiveness and amount to see what is the difference and see. Hello everyone, this is Meng. And today's video I would like to show you how to remove the noise or to make your sound better in Camtasia. So you can see it sounds better and clear. So you can play around with this one or use analyze or adjust 0 and adjust more like this. So for example, the top first one. Hello everyone, this is Meng. And today's video. So it's pretty good. It can remove the noise, especially when you have fan or something in the background. So it can remove. It makes your sound better. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. See you next time.